Now in this step, we will be finishing the carrot by attaching the two pieces of the carrot together. We have our stuffed carrot and our finished carrot top. And the stem of the carrot top will go into the carrot piece right through that opening. So you want to stick that between the two layers of the carrot, that opening there that was created. And I'm going to press that together, kind of push that stuffing away, and I'll use a safety pin to pin that in place and pin the stuffing back away from where I'll be stitching my line of stitches. I'm going to use a running stitch to close that opening and also to attach that carrot top in place. And so I've got my pin in place. I want to have that carrot top down deep enough where my running stitches will catch it. And I'm going to start my running stitch between the two layers of fabric, as usual, hiding my knot between the two layers. And then I will start my running stitch. Now, when I make my running stitch, I want to be careful that I don't accidentally sew my safety pin into my work. So I want to go above my safety pin to make my running stitches, making sure that I catch the front side of the carrot, the stem, and come out on the back side, about the same distance down as I went in on the front side. It's good to turn the work over back and forth as you're working on this part so that you can be sure that your stitches are going all the way through all of the layers that they need to be going through, and that they're coming out of the back in the same place approximately that they're going in on the front. So go ahead and continue that running stitch to close that opening and attach that carrot top in place. Going slowly and making sure that our stitches are in the right place. Oops. When I come to the end of my row of stitches, I'm going to end with my needle coming out the back side of the work. I'm going to pull my pin out. I need to sew my ending knot by picking up just a little bit. Oh, I'm going to make one more stitch there on that edge just to be sure that all my stuffing is going to stay in. And I'm going to turn the work over and I'm going to make an ending knot by picking up just a little bit of fabric on the back and making a loop as usual. And I'm going to push my needle through the loop once and twice. Pull it through so that it's snug up against the back of the fabric. And then I'm going to push my needle through near the place where the knot is and out somewhere in the body of the carrot so that my tail is hidden inside of the work, down with the stuffing. And I'll use my scissors to cut that tail. I just pull it a little bit so that when I cut it, it pulls right back into the fabric. And there is the finished carrot. And you are all finished with this project.